Class 10, Chapter 2, Polynomials, Module 4. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about division algorithm for polynomials. Listen carefully, students. Last class we had discussed some problems of division algorithm for polynomials. That is, divide two polynomials and verify the division algorithm. So we know the division algorithm. What is that? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now the next type of question, what? Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing second polynomial by the first polynomial. So here we need to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second. How we check one polynomial is the factor of the other? So listen carefully. When we divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial, if the remainder is 0, then it is a factor. Otherwise, not a factor. Now listen. We need to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Now when we divide, first the dividend is equal to 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now next one, t square minus 3. So the divisor is not in the standard form. So listen carefully that if it is not in the standard form, you can replace the standard form. Otherwise, you can write in the correct places of this variables. That is, to change first t square into 2t raised to 4, we need to multiply t square with the 2t square. So the first term of the quotient is what? 2t square. Now multiply 2t square into t square is 2t raised to 4. Now minus, multiply the second term of the divisor with the 2t square. So 3 into 2t square, 3 into 2t, 6t square. Now you need to write in the correct place of that variables, that is set minus 2t square. Below that you need to write minus 6t square. Then after that, first step, we need to subtract. So for easy calculation, what? We change the sign and add it. Now first term is what we can cancel, become 0. Then next 3t cube minus 2t square plus 6t square become what? 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Then same. Next, to change t square into 3t cube, we need to multiply the t square with the 3t. So 3t cube minus 9t. Now subtract it. Then at last 4t square minus 12. Then we need to multiply t square minus 3 with the 4 to get what? 4t square minus 12. Then when we subtract, the remainder is equal to what? 0. If the remainder is 0, we can conclude what? T square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Clear, students? Now same type of one more question. We need to check x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So, you can perform the division. Now, if on dividing remainder is 0, it is a factor. That is the conclusion part. Now, when we divide it, to change x square into 3x raised to 4, we need to multiply with the 3x square. So x square into 3x square is what? 3x raised to 4. Then second term, 3x into 3x square is what? 9x cube. Then plus 3x square plus 1 is equal to 3x square. After that, subtract. Then add it. Change the sign and then add it. So it become what? Minus 4x cube minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Now to change that, x square plus 3x plus 1 we need to multiply with minus 4x. That is minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x. Then after that, subtract. So for easy, we change the sign and add it. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Then multiply with the 2. Then same 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Then subtract it. At last, it is equal to what? 0. If the remainder is 0, then we can conclude the first one is a factor of the second one. Clear this type questions? Okay, important also. Now another important type of question. Find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So two of the zeros are given. Now listen carefully. This given polynomial is which degree polynomial? Yes, fourth degree polynomial. So if it is a fourth degree polynomial, it is having how many zeros? At most 4 zeros. Now listen carefully. Here when we divide, we need to find out all the zeros of the given polynomial. We know that two of its zeros are plus root 2 and minus root 2. So first step, if root 2 is a zero of the polynomial, then we can write what? X minus root 2 is a factor. Then if x is equal to minus root 2 is a 0, then x plus root 2 is another factor. Now both factor we can write together, x plus root 2 and x minus root 2. Then what is that? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square is also the factor. So x square minus root 2 square is what? 2. Now another factor, common factor is what? X square minus 2. So now, since it is a fourth degree polynomial, it is having 4 zeros. So 2 of the zeros are given. We need to find out 2 more zeros. So for that, now by dividing the given polynomial x square minus 2, we can find out the other factors. So the given polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. We need to divide that given polynomial by x square minus 2. Okay, so we need to find out 2 more factors for that. Now when we divide it, x square minus 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2. The quotient is what? 2x square minus 3x plus 1, and the remainder is equal to 0. Now listen carefully. What is the quotient here? 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now we need to find out 2 more zeros. So we need to factorize the quotient polynomial, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So here we can apply splitting middle term method. So sum of two numbers is equal to minus 3 and the product of that same is equal to 2. So which are the numbers? Minus 2x minus 2 and minus 1. Now rearrange 2x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 1. So 2x into x minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1. So first 2x minus 1 is one factor, second factor is what? X minus 1. Now we can equate each of these factors with the 0. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to what? 1 by 2. X minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to what? 1. Now the total, all the zeros we need to write. So all the zeros are x is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 and root 2 and plus root 2 and minus root 2. So all the zeros are plus root 2 minus root 2, 1 and 1 by 2. Clear, students? Now same type of another one question. Obtain all of the zeros of this given polynomial if two of its zeros are plus root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So listen carefully. The given polynomial we need to find out how many zeros here? Fourth degree polynomials. It having how many zeros? 4 zeros. At most 4 zeros. Then if it is a fourth degree polynomial. Okay. So here listen. The given polynomial 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Since x is equal to root 5 by 3 is a 0, x minus root 5 by 3 is a factor. If minus root 5 by 3 is a 0, then what? Second polynomial is x plus root 5 by 3. Then next, the common factor x plus root 5 by 3 into x minus root 5 by 3 is equal to what? X square minus root 5 by 3 the whole square. That is x square minus 5 by 3. Now by dividing the given polynomial by x square minus 5 by 3, we can find the other zeros. For that we need to divide 3x raised to 4 plus 6x square minus 2x square is x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by x square minus 5 by 3. So to change x square into 3x raised to 4, we multiply with the 3x square. Second term also we need to multiply with the 3x square. So minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. That 3 and 3 are cancelled. Then remaining what? 5 by 3 into minus 5 by 3 into 3 is equal to what? 3 and 3 are cancelled, minus 5x square only. So 3x raised to 4 minus 5x square is there. So subtract. Then 6x cubed plus 3x square minus 10x minus 10. Then second term, we need to multiply the 6x. So 6x into x square is what? 6x cubed minus 10x. Then after that 3x square minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus minus 5. So divided by, then after that we need to subtract. Then perform the division till we get the remainder as 0. Now here we need to find out 2 more zeros. For that we need to factorize the quotient part. So 3x square plus 6x plus 3, we need to apply splitting middle term. After that we need to find out the remaining 2 more zeros. Listen carefully. When we apply splitting middle term method, 3x square plus 6x can be split as 3x plus 3x plus 3. Then common factor 3x into x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1. So 3x plus 3 into x plus 1 are the factors. Then 3 common factor we can take x plus 1 into x plus 1, which is x plus 1 the whole square. Now equate with the 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. Now 2 factors are there, same factors. So the next one also what? Minus 1. So all the factors are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3, minus 1 and minus 1. Now the last type of question, listen. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Now listen carefully. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now dividend is what here? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 or x plus 2. Divisor is what? G of x. Quotient x minus 2. Remainder minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Now dividend is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Divisor g of x. Quotient x minus 2. Remainder minus 2x plus 4. Now putting the values in the equation number 1, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now listen, first step, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4, which is the remainder. Now we can replace remainder to the left side. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x when you replace here plus 2x plus 4x when you replace here minus 4, which is equal to g of x into x minus 2. That is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, which is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Now we need to find out what g of x, which is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Now divide the same division step. We know that at last the remainder is equal to 0. Then what is the quotient? X square minus x plus 1, which is what? G of x. Clear, students? Okay, it is very important also.